It may seem oversimplistic. Death rate exceeds birth rate, and does so for such a long period, generation after generation, or so extremely in a brief period of time, that the population is gone. And there are so many different ways to parse it. We can talk about death early in the age structure of a population versus late. We can talk about all the different ways that this effect can occur, and that really is my point, is that it is merely an effect, and that there are unimaginably vast ways that it can happen. We can talk about natural disasters. We can talk about a change in the interaction with the living things around it. We can talk about resources available. We can talk about slow versions of this process, a little tiny bit every single generation. We can talk about booms and busts in population sizes, and how during a boom, some environmental factor can play a role that could be catastrophic, but isn't. There's quite a lot of population available. Or during a bust, that same phenomenon can wipe this species out. We can talk about quite a lot of things, but what we cannot talk about, or rather what makes no sense, is biology going wrong. That there is a failure of natural selection. Or we can say just as easily that natural selection is in operation to eliminate this species. This creates sort of a systemic or weird purposeful version of natural selection that isn't borne out by data.